Hello, this is Daryl for Tuesday, the 13th of October 2016. This is a DE market summary. So we want to thank everyone in social media, out there in LinkedIn and Google Plus for supporting us. Feedback we've been having, thank you so much. So today, the markets closed down. Why did it close down? Well, it's data that we had coming out of China. So today we had data showing that China's exports fell 10% in September. So now this is worse than we were expected. So as analysts and us money managers out there we expected it to be down, but not as far as 10%. So this was a bit of a shock to the market when we heard it this morning. The markets all reacted negatively to that news. It all went to the downside. Also, too, that was unexpected. We had imports shrank as well too. And so now this just revived the concerns that investors had of China coming into the start of the year this year. Because for a while we haven't been talking about China, we were talking more about the central bank, right? The Fed in the U.S. Looking to cut rates or actually raise rates. We were looking at is Japan looking to cut rates, and we were looking at Europe too. What was happening with the European Union? We were looking at Brexit. So all these different global events actually took our attention away from China, and now China is back in the news and affecting the markets, not in a good way. Right? So what a number of good things that we had. So the China data came in early morning trading and it really brought the markets down pretty far. But we had a number of positive things that happened during trading today that actually normalized the markets, but not enough to get it to the positive end. But it was a nice little positive rebound. Some of the good news we had was oil prices. Oil prices rose today. We had oil close at $50.44 a barrel, and that's up 0.52%. Other very good news we had too was gold. So gold was up 0.42% as well to 1259.10 an ounce. Now this was because the dollar declined, and after the world shares slipped, right, following the worries in China. So basically, after we had the major announcement, we get the data from China, we had globally markets dipped down, right? And because of that, gold prices went up. So what always happens with when markets fall is the money moves to safety, and the safety is in gold, and so that is why then gold prices went up, right? And all shares related to gold, gold companies, mining companies, all rose because of that. So that's what we had. But the markets inevitably closed down today. We had the Dow Jones fell 44.85 points to 18,099.35. The S&P 500 lost 6.59 points to 2132.59. We had Yeah, so we have the S&P 500 lost 6.59 points to 2132.59. The Nasdaq also dropped 25.69 points to 5213.73. So all in all, it was a pretty rough day. It could have been worse. As we mentioned before, in early morning trading, the markets were down much further, but we had a nice rebound because of oil and because of oil prices, right? So could we have a nice rally tomorrow? Could we get a nice positive rally tomorrow going straight into the weekend? That is possible. So, because if you remember that we are in earnings season right now, if we could have a good earnings report tomorrow morning, that could really just generate a positive sentiment to carry the markets in positive territory going straight into the weekend, which is all our investors. This is our dream. Okay, so hopefully it could really happen. Okay, so this is Daryl. This has been the DE Market Summary. You have a good day.